The FasTrac 750 concrete mixer is ideal for smaller jobs where speed and convenience are critical. Its 3/4 yard capacity makes it an outstanding choice for a wide variety of applications. It's powered by an 11.9 cubic inch hydraulic motor with 4,000 psi hose with quick disconnects for skid steer loaders. The 750 delivers superior mixing with less maintenance. The key is in the trough and auger. Unlike other mixers, the 750 has rubber in the trough, not in the auger, to provide flexibility for larger aggregate. The 750's one-piece auger features rigid steel paddles that are jig welded in place for long-lasting performance. There is no need to replace worn rubber paddles. The rubber trough is also much easier to service with easy access from under the unit. It also permits tighter tolerances between the auger and trough to reduce separation of larger aggregate and provide overall superior mixing.